and welcome to Red Lipstick. So today I just wanted to do my makeup real quick, showing you guys some of my favorite all-time products that I love to use when I'm getting ready, and I'll also mix in some products that I recently got from the dollar store and a few things that I got from Walmart that I just want to try out. So I didn't have like a full face of first impressions type of thing, so what I wanted to do is use some new stuff combined with some of my favorite stuff, and I really hope you guys like it. So if you're going to leave a mean or rude comment, go ahead and hit that unsubscribe and move it along. Otherwise, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so as you can see, I already have my foundation on because I am finally doing my Ordinary Coverage Foundation review and demo by itself. I did the comparison video, but I've never done a dedicated video just to the coverage foundation, so I wanted to do that today. So the rest of the products though here are all pretty much like brand new products that I haven't tried or kind of my OG favorites. So we're going to start out with some concealer, and one of my OG favorites is the NYX concealer. This is the HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. It's so similar to the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. As far as the shade goes, I don't have the right shade for me. I need the shade Alabaster, which is the lightest one now, and this one is the shade in Porcelain. So I got the wrong one, so it's a little bit too yellow and a little bit too dark, but we'll just blend it in really well and make it work. Okay, now that that's blended in, you can't even tell. So let's move on to powder. Next one is another OG favorite. This is the NYC Loose Powder. This is so good. I can't believe this isn't hyped up more here on YouTube. So I'm just going to take my little fluffy brush here, dip into the powder, and pretty much put it everywhere. Next up is my brow product that I've loved the most forever, and I'm sure you guys know which one it is. BH Cosmetics Studio Brow Pencil. This is so good. It's my favorite brow pencil, other than the e.l.f. one, which is actually coming in as a close second. I'm just going to draw my eyebrows on with this one. What I love about it is it has a really fine pencil, so that when you draw on your eyebrows, it looks like tiny little hairs. It looks the most natural. I just love it. To go along with that is another one of my favorites. This is the Essence Make Me Brow. It's one of the best, cheapest brow gels. It has a little bit of a tint. It's got the fibers in it. It's a really good brow gel. Let's move on to face products. Another product that actually is an older product that I've been loving is the Sephora Colorful Contour Powder. This is actually, I believe, a blush. Yeah. So I use it as my contour though because it is a very cool toned brown, and it works really great on my pale skin tone for a contour. And my favorite way to apply this lately is with a giant fan brush. So I just dip the product, or dip the fan in the product, and go right just kind of a little bit above my natural cheekbone. Get around the temple too, and the hairline, and it helps me not look so pale and have chiseled cheeks. Next, moving on to blush. One of my favorite blushes is the Bobbi Brown Blush Trio. This actually comes with two blushes, actually a blush, a bronzer, and a highlight, but this is like a blush topper for me because it's way too pink. So I really like to go in actually with both shades. I'll go in with the bright pink first and pop this on my cheeks. And it doesn't come off as scary as it looks in the pan. It looks like a terrifyingly bright pink, but it's actually really subtle and pretty. And then I like to go in with the highlight blush topper shade and just go right over the blush. And it's just so gorgeous on the face. It gives a nice little sheen to the cheeks without being overpowering. So you can barely even see it. It just kind of looks like a nice glow. Now we are finally moving into the products that I haven't tried. And first of all, we have got this highlighter from Wet n Wild. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Blossom Glow. I have not tried any of these Wet n Wild powders yet. Oh, I forgot to put bronzer on. We'll do that first. OG product, CoverGirl Cheekers Bronzer. Technically, it's not really an OG product because I just tried it not that long ago, but it's good. And I really like to take it across the nose because if you are going to be tanned, you're going to be a little bit tanned on the tip of your nose. And then I just like to take it a little bit down the neck because my neck is always whiter than the rest of me, if that's even possible. And then on the décolletage. You can't forget the ears. If you're really pale, don't forget your ears. Okay, so I'm actually going to use my favorite highlight brush for this, which is the Real Techniques contour brush. And pop on in here and see what happens. That's really pretty. I just realized I forgot concealer, so I'm going in real quick with one of my OG favorite concealers, even though I already powdered, because it looks terrible. And this is the Physicians Formula Concealer Stick. I love this so much. It is a really creamy stick, so you don't have to worry about it being too intense under the eyes. Next up, one of my favorite products is the Chloe Morello Pretty Fun and Fearless palette. This is such a good palette. I'm just going to go ahead and do a real quick look with it. It's such a beautiful one with all of these pinks and purples and neutrals. I tend to shy away from the neutral colors, so what I'm going to do is just that today. I'm going to actually use them. So I'm just going to do a real quick eye look off camera and come back and finish up the video. So now while I was off camera, I did apply this mascara. This is the Double Decker Lashes from Butter London, which I absolutely love. It's become a new favorite. And then I also applied some faux lashes. These are the, Kiss lashes. It's the Faux Mink collection. And these are in the style Little Black Dress. These are the most natural yet full lashes I've ever worn. So now next up, I'm going to be applying this e.l.f. eyeliner pencil. This is the iconic ivory pencil in shimmer in my waterline, just to brighten up these eyes so I don't look so red. Now this was a product that I actually found at the dollar store the other day and I was really excited about because I love this. Two other dollar store products I found finally are the lip products, and we're going to try these LA Colors Long Lasting Smooth Rich Color Auto Lip Liner in the shade Edgy, along with their long wearing matte lipstick in Date Night. So let's do the lip pencil first. Okay, the lip pencil is a little bit hard, but I actually really like that because I like to outline the edge of my lips and not fill it in. So if you like more of a stiff, sturdy crayon, this is really good. I'm excited about this. And now we're going to try out the matte liquid lipstick. See what happens. This is kind of like a purple shade. Okay, I am pretty surprised because it's not horrible if you work with it. It's actually really moussey when you put it on, and it does take a while to dry, so you have some playtime with it. And it went on pretty patchy, but as I worked with it more and more, it got better. So this is actually pretty darn good. I do think I will wear this again. And now I can feel that it's starting to dry down, but it doesn't feel too dry. The only thing that I don't like about it is the smell. It smells a little bit plasticky, like baby doll plastic, if you guys know what I mean. My Barbies and my baby dolls all had that weird like plasticky smell. That's what this smells like. It smells like it's supposed to be a little bit scented, but I don't know what that scent would be. Anyway, I am so excited about all of these products. I really just wanted to share with you some of my go-to favorite products, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.